Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn off always on display on the iPhone 15 series running iOS 17. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Then we scroll down and tap on Always on Display. Tap on the toggle button. Now tap on Always on Display toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that is how you can turn on or turn off Always on Display. When it is off, then when you press on the side button, your phone screen will turn off instead of displaying the always on display, which can use power and quickly deplete your battery. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.